Well, it's time to check your own learning. Match the word with its meaning. Pause here while you are doing it. If you are done, let's check the answer together. The first one is 六. It means 6. The second one is 八. It means 8. Next one is 十. It means 10. Next one is 七. It means 7. The last one is 九. It means 9. How many do you get right? Leave it in the comment below. If you are ready to challenge yourself even more, let's do the next test. Well, that is write the Chinese character according to this number. Pause here while you are doing it. If you are done, let's check the answer together. So let's see, this one is 六, 七, 八, 九, 十. How many do you get right? Leave it in the comment below. I hope this lesson was helpful. There are more lessons coming in this series. I'll upload the video resources weekly. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. 谢谢观看，我们下次再见。